Hey everybody, welcome to Hi TV. We're here for the premiere of Sinahava Athering, a very, very interesting film directed by Sanath Gunatilaka and produced by Sunil T. Fernand. It's got a stellar cast and I'm told it's a fantastic story. I'm really excited to watch this movie as well, so don't go anywhere. This is Hi TV.
මොකක් පිස්සුද මං කවුරුයි කියලා හිතාගෙන දින්නේ දැන් ඔය කරපු යෝජනාව හරි එකක් කියලාද හිතන්නේ thank you
විවාහය කියන්නේ තමන් කෙනෙක්ව අයිති කරගෙන එයාට තමන් වෙනුවෙන් ජීවත් වෙන්න කියන එකද නැත්තම් තමන් අයිති කරගත් කෙනා වෙනුවෙන් තමන් ජීවත් වීමද
මට මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ ගැන කතා කරන්න හාමුදුරුවෝ ඕනේ නැහැ කාන්ති
මට කොහොම හරි හාමුදුරුවන්ව හම්බ වෙන්න ඕන
මම තම පරක්කු නැහැ කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරනවා
ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා කවදාවත් මෙරි කරන්නේ නැද්ද
කවදාවත් ඒ වැරද්ද මගේ අතින් වෙන්නේ
අහිංසක මම මේ ලෝකෙ ඉපදුනේ මගේ මොන වැරද්දකින්ද
මට කීපන් දැන් ඔබ මොනවද කරන්න යන්නේ
මේ ඔබේ කතාවද නැතිනම් ඔබේ සැමියාගේ හෝ බිරිඳගේ කතාවද නැතිනම් පෙම්වතාගේ හෝ පෙම්වතියගේ කතාවද
ඊයේ වගේ සුවඳ මට තාමත් දැනෙනවා
I have somebody who needs no introduction, Ms. Sumitra Paris. How are you doing?
Fine. I'm quite pleased that I had the opportunity to witness this film. Especially it's a film in a way unusual for the local cinema audiences. You have a different nationality playing a major role and also a person who should be naturally speaking in a foreign language, maybe French, should happen to speak in English. So I think the challenges that Sanath faced were tremendous. So being an actor that he is, and a good actor at that, I think he has succumbed most of his impediments that is natural to the project that he has undertaken. And he has, I think, come off it with flying colors.
All
Good
right.
luck to him.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Enjoy yourself. So I got the lady of the hour with her flowers and all. How's it going, Savini?
Yeah, cool. I think today is the best day in my life. I love this day. I was waited for 17 years for this day. That means this is my turning point, right? So I always wanted to do something in the film trades, but I couldn't do anything. I didn't get a chance. It's not only for me. It's depends for my the whole generation. So this is a good thing. This is my best day.
නොසිතු මොහොතක මා සඟවා සිටි
So, the man of the year, lead actor, and most importantly, director Sanat. Fantastic job on the movie. What's going through your head right now?
No, actually, now everybody knows this is a true story, but it's not mine. The story was given to me by Mr. Chaminda Pereira. But most important thing is, out of that story, I wrote a script about the human relationship. Whether you are a Sri Lankan or a foreigner, it's the, what you call the relationship, the man to woman, that attachment and detachment always comes in a normal way, and sometimes it's in a very unusual way. So, and I didn't want actors to act. I wanted them to live in these characters. That's what I was trying to do, and they did it.
So, what was it like directing together, directing and acting both at once?
To be very honest, it's a very hard job. But this story was given to me about 15 years back, and even before my last film, Ekamatte Karataka. So I was handling this story for so long period, and changing and adding the scenes, and basically I was living in the character. So, and I know very well that because the other two characters, that is Richard and Kumari, that is Chris Harris and Semini's characters, are very, very important. So I'll have to do the justice to their characters also. So when I walk into the set, I know what I am really going to do, because I was studying this man, that is Vimal, for so long time. So it was not very hard. But as you say, it's a very, very hard job, direction and acting both together.
I have another award-winning actress with me, Neeta Fernando. How's it going?
That's fine. I'm really happy with the film Sinahavatari. It's a very good film about love, and there's no love if there's no sacrifice. That's the theme that I think that's the theme. And with that sacrifice, I think you achieve your love and your life, and you go through so much. But that's a reality, and I think I enjoyed the film. Everybody can really enjoy this film. It's not a cheap love, or it's not a very teenage love. No, it's a matured people, how they face life and what that life. Everybody needs love, but with maturity it was very nice, and everybody can enjoy that.
Thank you very much. This is a really cool moment right now. I used to watch it as a kid. How's it going, Yashoda?
Good.
I've seen just a very few Sinhalese Sri Lankan produced movies, and most of the movies I've seen, they've had a lot of members in the cast, but this cast was limited to like 4 members in the main roles. Any performances that stood out exceptionally well?
Yes, I really like Semini Damalgoda. I think she did her best according to the role, the capacity she has given, and more than that, I think she was never given such prominency in cinema so far. So this is the first time I'm seeing her in a prominent character, and she has done her best.
All right, thank you very much. Take care. Bye. How's it going with you?
Very good. Been a little busy, but I enjoyed the movie. I think there's something in your life in this movie. There's something in everyone's life in this movie, and that's the feeling you get when you're watching it. So he's done a great job, and I must commend Nirosha Virajani on her first debut as a music director. She's really done a great job. For me, there were times, moments where actors, the music spoke much larger than everything else, and I have to congratulate her, wholeheartedly. She was great, and it's her first film, so yeah.
All right, thank you very much. I've got Urani with me. How's it going?
Good, very good.
Enjoyed the movie?
Very much, yes.
What do you think of it?
A beautiful movie, beautiful storyline, I think, a movie with substance. And it gives a message to the society. And so it's a beautiful movie, and hats off to Sanath Iyer. And I was to do Kumari's role, unfortunately. With my time schedules and with work commitments, I wasn't able to do it. But then watching the movie, I felt, damn, I should have, done it. It's a beautiful story, so I think I'm sure everyone is going to love it.
So, we see her in the beginning of the movie and then we see her at the end of the movie, but the movie quite revolves around in a very, very big way. How's it going?
Well, right now a lot of them are commenting saying I made everyone cry. So, well, I hope that I have done done something really good for the character, because I only appear in the start and the end.
So, what was it like working with Sanath as a director?
As one of the senior actors, I would say it was a real privilege to work with them, because we gained so much of knowledge and acting skills and so many. When it comes just not only to that big, when associating with the crew and everything, I think we have learned so much of things, and I really, really enjoyed working with them. So I think working with the seniors was like one of the most unforgettable moments of my life.
All right, thank you very much and good job again.
Thank you so much.
I have Swarna Mallavarachi with me. How's it going?
Fine.
What do you think of the movie?
I think it's a good movie. People would like to see that movie. And Sanath has done a great job. And even as the music director, she's Niloshara Virajini's first film. She has done a great job. And it's a kind of a film that people will like to see. It's not too heavy. It's a very simple story. And sometimes everybody has a little bit out of that essence in everyone's life. People will try to think themselves in that film. They will try to imagine themselves in the film. I have a feeling it will run. People
I have a feeling too.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. So I got Upeksha with me. How's it going?
Awesome.
Should I call you Upeksha or Papa? I still don't know.
Upeksha.
Okay, I'm just going.
Praying Papa here.
Of course. What do you think of the movie? I'm still speechless.
Same here. A lot to think about, and I'm really thankful for producing such a plot. I mean, especially with the Sri Lankan mentality, where we're very quick to judge people. This is an awesome answer to that. We should never judge, and this movie is why. And I mean, it's just amazing. Anyone who's about to get married, please watch this movie and then get married.
මට වෙලාවකට හැමදේම එපා වෙනවනේ.
ඔයා වටා තියෙන දේවල් එපා වෙනවද? එහෙමත් නැත්තම් අන්සතු දේවල් ඔයාගේ කරගන්න හදලා ඒව නොලැබෙන හින්දා එපා වෙනවා.
මොකක්? පිස්සුද? මං කවුරුයි කියලා හිතාගෙන තින්නේ. දැන් ඔය කරපු යෝජනාව හරි එකක් කියලාද හිතන්නේ?
ඔබේ සුවඳ රැඳි සුළං කැරල්ලක ඇවටින්නට ආසයි. ඔබ අතිනතගෙන ඔබට තුරුළු වී ඇවිදින්නට ආසයි.
Well, that's a wrap. It's a fantastic movie. I definitely recommend you to come and watch it. If you are not a Sinhalese theatre, Sinhalese film theatre fan, You definitely want to come and see this one. It's fantastic. It's got subtitles, so if you don't understand English, you still can come and watch it. A fantastic effort from both directors, actors, and the entire crew. It's a very, very touching film, and it speaks to each and everyone, like most of the people here said. So I definitely recommend you to come and watch it. It's happening it's a screening at the Liberty Cinema, and we'll see you next time. I'm Rehan, signing out for High TV.